Institute for Hospital and Health Management Education in India. After it, 4 years back, we thought and we understood that health information technology would be the next big thing in India. And if you look at the placements point of view, health information technology, the average package is exceeding more than 6 lakh per annum. So since West Bengal has been a home, wherein West Bengal, from the state of West Bengal, we lot of hospital management graduates are coming out every year in their undergraduation. We thought this health information technology management would be the right fit for West Bengal as a state whole. So hence that is the reason the health information technology program, which is only offered at IIHMR Bangalore, would be the right fit wherein students can enroll and look out for a lucrative career in health sector. Thank you.
IIHMR Bangalore has been a premier institute in providing health and hospital management program over last more than two decades, and our understanding in last couple of years has been phenomenal in understanding the requirements of the industry, because we work very closely with the industry, and we do invite industry professionals to come and interact with the students, so the skills of the students will improve. And based on that, we do realize that IT is coming in a big way to healthcare industry, and we also understand if we don't build that capabilities among students who can go and provide this support to the hospitals in implementing IT platform for the hospitals, then it will be very difficult for the industry to grow the way it has been growing since last couple of years. So our endeavor would be to bring students, make students aware about this program, and make them skillful so that they can go ahead and help the industry to grow in a much better way. And based on that, IIHMR Bangalore is providing a 2 years program, MBA program in healthcare management, and in that we have got 3 specializations. One is public health, another is hospital administration, and one is health information technology. So over last few years, the demand for health information technology has gone up, so we look forward that students would come forward and take up this course. So not only they can help hospitals to grow in their business, but also they can improve their employability and get a good career program for there.